sometimes the hardest decision of the day for me is, which car am I going to take to work? I'll take the BMW. Sometimes that's the hardest decision of the day. Oh, man. So, let's talk about NIO for a little while. I mean, am I driving a NIO? I'm not. I could be, but I can't buy one in America. With the enthusiasm that I have with NIO, you think I'd be driving one. You know what I mean? But I don't. I drive a BMW, but it is electric. Oops. What did I just do? Oh, check this out. Want to see something cool? Look at this. That's me right there. See that? It's pretty cool, right? Alright, so... Oh, someone's walking around the car here. So, I want to talk about... NIO. That's what I want to talk about right now. Because today we had a little pullback. But like I said, we bounced off the 1360. I told you. I told you guys that was the support level. So for anybody that bought when it was down there at 1360, it even hit like 1358, 1355. I mean, that was a great buying opportunity. I bought some more shares. I didn't need them, but I did. Because I knew where to buy at. I'm not a financial advisor. Fuck that. You know what? I am a financial fucking advisor. Listen to me, okay? I bought fucking 40 shares. Nothing. It did absolutely nothing to my average price because I have so many fucking shares. If I buy 40, even if I buy 100 shares, unless I buy them at a really, you know, I gotta buy them at less than $10 to move my average at all. Or I gotta buy them, you know, completely overpriced. I gotta be paying $15, $16. You know, 100 shares to even move my average price because I have so many fucking shares now. I'm indebted into NIO. I love the company, you know. They're a great company. I think they have a really, really, you know, a future ahead of them. The likes of which that no one knows because it's only fucking $13 a share. So nobody really fucking knows. What the fuck is everyone? The light is red. They left me in the dark. Now I have to fucking sit here. NIO is going to do things the likes of which the EV world has yet to see. And to say that with Tesla, that's huge because Tesla's pretty much done it all. What have they not done? I'll tell you what Tesla has not done. They haven't made quality vehicles. That's what they haven't done. They have great technology. Okay, they have a great CEO, but the manufacturing, the design, the quality, just look at the interior of a Tesla. Holy fuck, it looks like a playpen at McDonald's or something. There's nothing in there. Even that's an insult to McDonald's. There's just nothing in that vehicle. It's very plain. It's very plain Jane. All the technology is done through the center. You know, and there's things that people really like. You know, there's buttons, volume buttons. There's really like hands-on buttons that should always be in a vehicle that I think that Tesla is missing. Nobody wants to go through the smart technology, the touchscreen to fucking change the temperature and the heated seats, and it's just a pain in the ass to get those things done in a Tesla. You know, when you're driving and you want to turn the heated seats on or you want to turn the temperature down or something, it's a pain in the ass. It is a pain in the ass. But not in a NIO. They have on-deck buttons. You've seen the pictures. I'm not fucking playing games with you guys. This is the real deal. NIO's the fucking real deal. And their partnership with Sunning, however you want to pronounce them, I mean, they're only going to sell more cars. They're only going to sell more cars. They're going to increase the advertising of that company being partnered with Sunning. It's gonna reach. NIO's gonna reach a far bigger crowd than it already is, and that's just gonna increase sales. They're gonna have to increase production capacity. They're gonna have to. I don't think that working out of that factory, the GAC, is gonna be enough. I think they're gonna either need to create their own factory, which I wish they wouldn't, because I want them to keep using a manufacturer that knows how to design cars, you know. I think it would be great if they could come up with enough money to say, hey, GAC, we're going to build a separate factory, you know, where you're just going to produce our vehicles. You know, we're going to own the factory, run the factory. I'm sorry, we're going to own the factory, but you're going to run the factory, you know what I mean? So that should save them on cost as well. And they can just have a separate factory, which JAC is still operating and running and building the vehicles for them. But NIO actually owns the building, owns the facility. You know what I mean? So, yeah, that's all I got. I really don't fucking know what to talk about. I'm just headed to the store before FOA. No, I'm just playing. I'm heading to the store right now. I don't really have anything to say. I just wanted to make a fucking video, and here I am, Chester the Investor, signing out.